So hello everyone, to make the first DIY, here we have taken two plastic lids and we're going to stick it together, and then here we have stick one more with holes into it and three pencils for its stand. Now we have taken one more pencil and we're going to stick it into the circles. Then we're going to take another one and we're going to stick it with glue gun. And we have made the handle with pen rolled with woolen. Now here we have taken this type of bottle and we're going to stick it on the lids. So paint it with black paint after applying the gesso on it. So our beautiful bicycle planter is ready. Let's move ahead on our next DIY. For the next one, here we have taken this type of box or container, you can say, and we're going to stick it. Then here we have taken MC. We have joined two bottle caps to make the three tires of it. So total we have used 6 bottle caps. Then we have made it slide, let it dry. After applying a layer of gesso, we are going to paint it. Paint it with green and black, and this one is also done. So let's move ahead. Now for this one, here we have applied a layer of gesso on the containers, and now we have painted with yellow paint. Take bottle caps and stick it as eyes of the planter and make some features like this, and this one is also ready. So let's move ahead on our last DIY. To make this, here we have taken 6 popsicle sticks and we're going to take the 3 and join together. Join it in this manner. So now stick 2 on above. One side should be more and one less. Now stick one popsicle on other side too. Stick on the front also, like this. And the base of the cycle is ready. Here we have taken crimson color and a plastic cup and we're going to paint it. You can also apply a layer of gesso if you want to for more finishing, but I am going to apply 3 coats of this paint. And then here we have taken 3 CDs painted with gesso and apply black on its circumference and make lines with paint only, like this. So now we're going to stick it with the handle of the cycle, like this. And the 2 CD we are going to stick it with the cup, like this. Now make 2 small holes into it and stick the handle of the bicycle like this. So this is also ready. Thank you for watching. Like, share and subscribe. Take a goodbye.